This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the legal foundation. You must decide the channel focus, commentary, licensing, or original content, and document that choice. Once decided, obtain explicit rights, written licenses, permission emails, or public domain sources. Make sure they are dated and signed. Next, set up YouTube Studio and link Google Payments. Enter Form 1099 or applicable tax info when required. This prevents strikes later and gives you proof of intent and ownership if a dispute arises. Now you build a repeatable workflow. Start by creating templates, release forms, license logs, and consistent thumbnail guides to speed approval and audits. Then, when producing, always include clear on-screen attribution, timestamps, license numbers, and contributor names so reviewers can verify rights fast. Once done, run Content ID or private uploads as tests and prepare muted audio alternatives to avoid automatic takedowns. Make sure to keep version project files and metadata for every upload. This saves hours during dispute. Finish by launching carefully and protecting your channel. You should publish initial videos as private or unlisted tests, then verify Content ID and viewer feedback before public release. Once public, monitor analytics, copyright claims, and community flags daily so you can react quickly. If you get a strike, gather your license evidence and file a counter notice with clear documentation. Provide timestamps and sign permissions. If uncertainty remains, consult a copyright lawyer. This prevents irreversible penalties and helps you scale with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.